This is how I made these sticker sheets at my public library. This is just kind of how I did it as a beginner. First, you're going to design your sticker sheet and export it. I use Clip Studio Paint. I separated the background/titles from the actual sticker designs, so I end up with 2 PNG files. 1, the background design, and then 2, a transparent of the stickers that I want to cut out. Drag them into the die cutter machine software. I use Silhouette Studio, which is free to download without a machine. Add print registration lines. This is how the machine will sense where your paper is and where to cut. Align the sticker designs to the background how you want the sheet to look like. You can do this using the transform tool and aligning the two horizontally and vertically to the center. Set the cut lines for Kiss Cut. I only did Kiss Cut and cut the sheets out manually. As a tip, I want to make these stickers rounded squares, but my transparent file of the stickers were all regular pointy squares, so I had to go in and make manual rounded squares and center around each sticker because I couldn't be bothered to go back into CSP. But I recommend making the shape in your drawing software right off the bat so that you can just use the offset tool. 6. Once one sheet is formatted to your liking, I would group the whole sticker sheet and save, so you don't need to do that again. 7. Use the transform tool to move the grouped sticker sheet elements and replicate it in order to fit as many sheets as you can in one paper and within the print registration lines. 8. Save and print. I printed mine at home with my inkjet printer because 1, the library didn't allow me to print there, but also 2, they generally use laser printers, which wouldn't work with my sticker paper or achieve the print quality I would like. 9. Laminate, which is optional. I already use vinyl sticker paper, so it's already water resistant, but it just feels really nice. Now at the library, I went to the San Diego Central Library and they have a very stacked makerspace or idea lab. Stick the paper onto the die cutter's cutting mat. The library's machine was well loved, so I needed to use washi tape or masking tape instead to stick it on. I recommend testing your cut settings first. Again, it was well loved. And I laminated my sticker sheets, so I had to play around with the settings to see what would cut through the laminate and the sticker sheet, but not the sticker backing. I started off with the cardstock setting and kept testing from there. When you have the right settings and the stickers peel to your liking, cut the whole sheet. Lastly, I cut the sheets individually when I got home using a box cutter, ruler, and my cutting mat. And look how they turned out. I love them. I'm so excited to make more, and I'm grateful for the Central Library for letting me get used to the machine first, because now I think I might invest in my own silhouette.